Today we will learn something about SPSS. In this session, we will learn how to input data into SPSS sheet. There are three or four ways in which we can do this. The first one is to copy data from Excel file with headers and paste it in the SPSS and then do some uh, activity to make the data clean by removing the header in the data view and adding in the edit view or variable view. So I will show how this works. The second one is directly copy the data into MS from MS Excel into SPSS sheet without headers, and then after pasting it in the data view, go to the variable view and add headers for the variables here. The third way is to directly open the file from the Excel sheet into SPSS, and this is very easy. And the last one is you can directly input data sheet, a data set into SPSS sheet if the data is smaller. This is a good way to input the data directly into SPSS. Now, we will do the first activity in which we will enter some data in MS Excel. Let's have a variable mass of some students, and we want to input this data into SPSS. Just select this data set, copy, and then go to SPSS. In SPSS, open the software. You will have a window which is similar to that of MS Excel. Just to open a new file if you have previously opened some one. This is the sheet of SPSS. Now paste the data set that you have copied from MS Excel into this. Here the header, which is Mars, is shown in this sheet. It should not be here. So if you look to the left lower corner, you have data view and variable view. First of all, remove this first row by clicking on this one. This will be highlighted. It means this row is selected. Now click on right click and click on the clear. The mass header is removed from this. Go to the variable view. In the var00, you can input Mars without any spaces. The variable name is written here. This is the change the type of the variable. This is a numeric variable. So if there are some decimal points, you can add 1, 2, 3 in place of 0 here. So change the type of the variable. Then in the last column, change it to scale and align it to right side, because SPSS aligns data that is in numeric form to the right side. In label, you can write the full name of the variable, mass of students in some subjects. Now again go to the data view. Here now the data is clean. Now it is ready to be analyzed. The second way how to input the data into MS from MS Excel into SPSS. and open a new data file here. So go to MS Excel and after going to MS Excel sheet, you can copy the data set. No, the copy the data without headers and excluding the header, which is mass in this case. You can copy this only the data. I have pasted here in order to show I have only the data to be copied. Now copy this data and go to the SPSS, and this is new file. Just paste the data. No, the data was without headers, and go to the variable view and write the name here, which is mass. No, and as you have only copied the data, SPSS has already automatically defined the type of the data and scale measure of the data, which is scale. So you need not to do anything more. Only the data is now ready to be analyzed in this. The third way in which we can input data, that is just to go to the Excel and save the data file in a new sheet. Just I am once again sharing this Excel file. Now I am creating a new sheet here. The data is in this column. Save the data file. The name of the file is examples, and the data is saved in download folder. Okay. No, remember that our data sheet is sheet 11. I can rename it as marks of students. After renaming this sheet, now I will close the Excel file and then again go to SPSS. Here, open a new file. Instead of opening a new file, go to the open button and go to data. Click on the data. Here, a new window is opened. Select the folder where we have saved the file. The name of the folder was downloads. So I will uh, go to the folder that is downloads. In order to save the time, I shift the data to the desktop, so it will be easier to find the data file or in the document folder. So I save the data file into a folder which is named as documents. Now go to the SPSS and then click here on the documents, file name, and in file type, change the type of the file is as MS Excel. Now you will see the file with the name examples. Examples. This is our file. Click on the open, and you will see if the file is open in MS Excel, it will be not possible to open it in SPSS. So first of all, close the MS Excel data file, then go to SPSS, click on the open, and then click on change the type of the file here as Excel file, then search the file which was named as examples. This is our file. Click on the open button. I think there is some problem in opening. And when you will click on the open, you will have option to select any one sheet. Click on the sheet which is was named as mass, then it will be opened directly into this. The fourth way, you can directly enter the data. Go to the variable view. If you want to put the name of the variable, first of all, you can directly input the data here. Say mass. I am inputting the data manually using the numeric keypad of the keyboard. So here is the data, for example. Now go to the variable view and change the name of the variable as mass. And its type is numeric automatically, and you can add label if you want to. All other things are okay. Now the data is ready to be analyzed. These are the four ways in which you can input data into SPSS.